What is up, guys? Handyman Sam here. Long time no see. Today we're going to be working on a 1997 Dodge Ram that needs a new idler pulley. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do that. And you may ask, how do you know it needs a new idler pulley? Well, we can take a look here. First off, we see a few bits of metal here. I actually found one bit right about there. And I actually already undid the serpentine belt. You see here, it's pretty loose. It's about time to replace. I'd also been hearing a lot of clattering and squeaking underneath the hood at the past couple days, or maybe a day or so. So that started to make me concerned. Definitely time to replace this. So this is a fairly simple job, really. You just take your ratchet and 15mm socket. You can put on your belt tensioner nut here. And you can take some kind of breaker bar or whatever and push down on it going clockwise, just like I showed in my serpentine belt video, and that will help loosen your serpentine belt. And once you loosen the belt enough to get it off the idler pulley, you can just pull the belt from underneath it. I just kind of moved it up here so it's not looping, or in front of it. You can take a 14mm socket and also a ratchet, and then just start loosening this nut that's holding on this pulley. So you just slip it on. Then you might also need a breaker bar to go with it. Eventually it'll get to the point where you can just loosen it by hand. Then you'll eventually get it threaded out enough. You just lift it up. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's about shot. You can see those bits of metal down in there. Yeah, I'd say it's about time to replace this. So you can see here, a lot of these bearings are missing. They're about ready to fall out. So then we'll take our 3 hardware items, which is this bolt and this little washer here and this little set washer thing. Stick it back through a new pulley, just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Just like that. Next we can slip the new pulley along with the bolt, everything else, back into the threaded hole here. Then we can start threading this puppy back on. So once you get it threaded most of the way by hand, then you can take your socket, 14mm and ratchet, and tighten to about 30 foot-pounds. That's what I looked online, but I'd check your manual just to be sure. Alright, so we have this bad boy on here, and then now we can just reroute our belt to how it's supposed to go. Won't take too much trouble though. All we have to do is press it underneath. Of course, at the same time, you're going to want to put your 15mm socket and ratchet on your belt tensioner nut, and then push clockwise so that you can actually get the belt underneath. Okay, so we have our belt pushed underneath. I'm going to make sure the belt is on all the ribs correctly on the pulleys, and as far as I can tell, it looks pretty good. So we have the new idler pulley installed. We'll start the truck up, just kind of see how it does, make sure everything's in the right order. Definitely no longer squeaking, so that's a good sign. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.